Hey there, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today, we're going to show you how to make columns Word step by step. Method 1. Step 1. First, open your Microsoft Word document. If you don't have one open yet, go ahead and create a new one. Step 2. Now go to the Layout tab at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find most of your document formatting options. Step 3. Next, click on the Columns button. You'll see a few basic options for column layouts. Step 4, choose how many columns you want. For example, if you just need 2 or 3 columns, simply click on the option you prefer. Step 5, that's it. Your document will automatically adjust to the number of columns you selected. Pretty easy, right? Method 2, Step 1. Again, open your Microsoft Word document. Step 2, go to the Layout tab, just like before. Step 3, click on Columns. Step 4, this time select More Columns from the drop-down menu to unlock additional customization options. Step 5, in the Columns window, you can specify exactly how many columns you want, whether that's 3, 4, or even 5 columns. Step 6, you'll also see options to adjust the width and spacing between your columns. Feel free to tweak these to get your perfect layout. Step 7, if you want, you can even choose to add a line between your columns. This can help make your document look even more organized. Step 8. Once you're happy with the layout, click OK to apply your changes, and your document will be customized just the way you want it. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.